Hello, everybody. My name is Oyin Damola, and I'll be putting you through downloading VS Code on your computer. VS Code is like is a place where you can type in your code, edit your code, just basically put your code inside. You can open your Jupyter notebook in it also. So first of all, I'm just going to go to my browser. So this is my browser. I'm just going to type VS Code download, and this is VS Code means Visual Studio Code, basically, like I said, where you can input your code, different things like just to type in your code really. So it's showing download Visual Code Studio on Mac, Linux, and Windows. So I use a Windows, so I'm going to download one for the Windows. So just select anywhere on the link, and it's going to take you to this page. So on this page, you have to download from either the Windows, the Linux, the Mac, anywhere type of computer you use. So like I said, I use a Windows. So I'm just going to download, select this. Once I have this selected, it tells me, thank you for downloading. Thank you for downloading VS Code. It takes a couple of seconds to download. So I've downloaded it before, that's what it was showing. Now it takes a couple of seconds to download. 9765 4 3 2 1. So that is VS Code downloaded. So you can open it in your file manager. Just open your file manager and come to your downloads, and you would have VS Code showing. Or you could simply just select it directly. So just select it and it opens up. So while it's opening up, so this is it. So it's showing I accept or I do not accept. So I accept the agreement. I mean, for us to move forward, we have to accept the agreement. Next, next, next. No, for me, I am going to select the create a desktop icon because I want it to be on my desktop when I turn on my computer. So next, next, and install. So it's preparing to install. It's going to take about 1 minute to install. So it's loading. Just going to wait a little. Like I said, it takes about 1 minute installing, extracting files. And I am going to select launch VS Code. This is selected, so I'm just going to leave it selected like that. I'm going to launch it so I can see what it looks like once I am done installing. So I'm going to finish, and it's going to open up VS Code. So like I said, you can open up VS Code. You can like put in your Jupyter notebook and different things like that. So this was something I was playing with a little while. So just going to just come here and add a new code. So if I want to add a new code line of code, I'm just going to select this. So I'm just going to, we can just run print hello world, and it's going to run. And this is basically what it looks like, activating, whatever. So it's just basically trying to kickstart really. So this was what I was working on before, so it's just going to show what is there. So print hello world, and yeah, it has been run in 0 seconds. So basically, this is what VS Code looks like. You can do different things on it. You can set up a profile, turn on your cloud, just do different things, really extensions. That includes things like Jupyter Notebook. You can run, debug, source control, search, and like open new folders or whatever you want really. If you want to add a new folder, you can just do that, like maybe from somewhere. You can always do that. So basically, that is how we download VS Code. Bye.